Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be dealing with the fridge freezer. So basically, my old fridge freezer actually broke, and I was so sad because I love cooking, and I feel like, oh my gosh, what am I gonna do? I really don't have the money to buy fridge freezer right now, but I need it. And then my husband said, don't worry, I'm gonna surprise you. So bless him. My husband actually surprised me with this beautiful fridge freezer, and this is amazing. It's American style fridge freezer. I was so happy because I have never, well, we have never actually had a new fridge freezer. So this was so nice for me and such a beautiful surprise. But since then, I have not had the time to literally arrange it the way I wanted to. So I figured, why not? We can just do it together. By the way, when it's 3 minutes without closing the door, it will start making sound. But I need to arrange this and just make it my style. I haven't even unwrapped it properly. Like, I need to take off some tape and just make it my own. But I feel like we should just do it together, and I can show you guys how I arrange my fridge and my freezer. If you like this kind of video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share, and like this video. And let's just go. Let me show you guys how I'm going to tackle all of this. The first thing I'm going to do is empty all of this. And all of this needs to come out. And there goes the sound. All of this needs to come out. And just give me a minute, guys. So guys, this actually took me longer to unbox. When I say unbox, well, to just tidy up that I would love to admit, but here we are. I'm done now, and this is the aftermath of the whole thing. It's literally just on the floor. But we move. So now that everything is done, I am going to use my wipes, my antibacterial wipes. I have actually forgot to take some of the ones at the back off, but that can be done in a bit. I am just going to wipe it down. This thing is plugged in and it's quite cold, and the steam. So I'm just going to make sure every bit is wiped down before I start putting my food and everything in. I hope everyone is doing well with the pandemic and everything. I hope everyone is keeping safe and just like me, keeping safe and trying to keep busy and everything. It's not dirty, but I just like to give it a wipe and everything. So I am quite satisfied, and then the next thing I would do is start putting my food and drinks in there, and I'll show you guys how I organize my fridge. I bought this fridge storage, and I have three small sizes, one large and one medium. I actually use this in other places in my house as well. I also have, I think I have some more somewhere. So I've got some more here. I've got another medium size here. I've got 2 can storage, and I'm just gonna use that, and I'm pretty sure I've got another small in there as well. I'm just gonna use this. I'm gonna use this to organize my fridge. Please come along with me Don't forget to like and thumbs up this video. It's basically the same thing, but hey, oh, we move. here I'm just going to store my beef in there. I don't want to put it directly on the fridge tray or freezer tray because I don't want any stains. I just put it there so when I'm ready to clean it, I don't have to clean the whole freezer. I will just take out that plastic pallet and then plastic storage and then clean there. And in the second one, I'm going to be placing in my raw chicken thigh. I use a lot of chicken thigh in my cooking, so I'm just going to be placing them in there as well. So it's going to be easy for me to just pick one out whenever I'm ready to cook. Oh guys, so about almost 2 hours later, so this is what everything is looking like. At the top I did put water in there, and then in the can storage I've got our pops in there, and then in here we've got adult yogurt, and in here is just basically vegetables like tomatoes. Oh, my tomato fell. Tomatoes, bell peppers, long sweet peppers. In there is just some cheese. In here we've got cheese, mozzarella cheese, avocado, and I do have a bit of rosemary in there. And here in this fridge drawer that I got from unbox is just yogurt for my baby. And down here I also have another drawer in here that I also bought, and in there is just snacks. And in this drawer, well, not drawer, in this space you've got fruit, which is strawberry, and underneath we have some red grapes. And I've got some yogurt for my baby and some mousse, and on there is just a butter for bacon. And in this one I have my that's embarrassing. I've got I had my spread in there. I guess I put two. Anyway, that can only happen to tell you on camera. I've got my butter in there for baking and flour for spread and stuff. I haven't put anything at the bottom because I am going to be putting like cooked food in there at some point. And in there I just put some eggs in there. Here is the water refrigerator tank thing, so I'm supposed to put water in here, but I need to clean it first before I do that, so I haven't done that yet. And here I just put my milk for my baby in there, and just some stuff like sauces and coffee stuff. And this is the freezer. So the freezer, I had to tackle really hard, so I haven't put anything at the first and second because my cooked food and third, I didn't realize. Anyway, first, second, third is empty because cooked food are going to go in there. And in here I've just got like a storage for my beef. Basically this is a beef storage area. And here you've got chicken and fish. If you know me, then I cook a lot of mackerel, so you've got fish in there and a sea bream. And in this drawer is just basically chips, prawns, and just potato. And in this last drawer is just a drawer for party food and just quick food for guests when we do have guests. And here it's empty. That's empty because, to be honest, I don't know what to put in there because I do have like a spare freezer outside. Here I just put my mackerel fillet in there, and at the back is a white fish. And there I love prawns as well. Here is just my tiger prawns, and this is the state of my kitchen at the moment. I do need to clean up, I do need to tidy up, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It might not be as perfect as I want it to be, but like I said, I will keep improving. But this is the state of my brand new fridge freezer. Like, I'm so happy I literally have like American fridge freezer. Like, what? But I am grateful. Thank you very much for watching. If you do like this kind of video and you would like to see me do more organization, maybe organize my chest freezer and this little one here, if you want to see me do that, please comment, subscribe, and please click on the post notification button so you will know when I upload. Until next time, thank you very much and God bless. Remember, be nice to people. Kindness costs nothing. Thank you. Bye.